Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by unboxing your Panda Touch Pro and placing all parts on a clean surface. Remove the protective film from the 1-inch screen before powering on. Locate the included 5V3A power adapter and plug it into a grounded outlet. Connect the power cable to the device and press the power button once to start boot. Allow the device to charge for at least 30 minutes before performing major updates or installs. Keep packaging until setup completes in case you need returns or spare parts. After powering on, choose your network connection through the settings menu to start configuration. You can connect via Ethernet at 100 Mbps for stability or join a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Select your wireless network name and enter the router password carefully to avoid errors. Enable DHCP to let the router assign an IP automatically for easier management. For optimal Wi-Fi signal position, the Panda Touch Pro within 10 feet of the router during setup. Confirm internet access by opening the browser and loading a test page successfully. Install the vendor POS app from the official source and open it after installation. Enter your merchant ID, terminal ID, and other credentials exactly as provided by your provider. Configure peripheral devices such as barcode scanner, cash drawer, and receipt printer in the app settings. Set the receipt printer paper size to 80 mm and perform a test print to verify alignment. Register the device serial number in your account and enable automatic updates to maintain security patches. Reboot the Panda Touch Pro and run a full transaction test before serving customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.